everyone, welcome back to Ellen's Crochet channel. Welcome to my new and returning subscribers. Thank you for stopping by and watching my videos. Most importantly, thank you for leaving comments. I read each and every one of you, each and every one of them, and I appreciate them. Thank you. So today's video is a long overdue video because I've been a slacker. Yes, I have slacked on my friend Laura at Man Mamie's Crochet and Farming, who is the brainchild of the Year in Dishcloths. You say, what is the Year in Dishcloths? So this is the brainchild, Laura, Man Mamie's Crochet and Farming. Back in September, her subscribers, she showed this book, A Year in Dishcloths, and she asked who would like to participate in this collaboration with her of a year of having fun and doing a washcloth every week. So this book is A Year in Dishcloths. It's an Annie's Crochet book. The author is Maggie Weldon. And it's 52 designs to celebrate all 4 seasons with everyone on your gift list. So every Wednesday, Laura picks a dishcloth. She's got a little cup. She's got every pattern for that season in the cup, and every Wednesday she picks out a different pattern. We started in September with the winter season. We're doing a season ahead that if you're going to give them as a gift, you'll be done, like we'll be done with summer before summer gets here. And we started in September with the winter, and then we went to spring, and now we're on summer. And if you go watch Laura's channel, Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming, and I will link it below, you will see her Wipeout Wednesdays. This week is the orange slice. I think we've done every one of the summer ones that are on the front of the cover. We'll put it this way. Everyone else has done them. I think I'm 2 behind, so that's why I say I'm a slacker. Not only am I missing 2, I haven't recorded a video about the dishcloths in a few weeks. So here we go. So this week's dishcloth is the orange slice. Okay, because we're on summer. Let me find it. Okay, so it's the orange slice. And this is my orange slice. And I think this is a great one. I want to say this was a fun pattern. It was easy, and I'm thinking if you have a patio with a table outdoors, if you made them larger, these would be great to have as a placemat. You know, you want to put something on, put your paper plate on, or if you use real plates. I don't use real plates outside, but some people do. But these would be cute little placemats. Dishcloths, washcloths. You could put some scrubby yarn on there. But that's my Wipeout Wednesday Wipeout for this week. So I'm getting close, Laura. I'm catching up. I'm going to get those 2 that are missing done. I do mine in 100% cotton. I love this cotton, and I do like the Hobby Lobby cotton. It's lovely cotton to work with. This color was called Glowing. I thought it was called Orange, but I'm reading the label, and it's Glowing, and it's a number 4, 100% cotton. And the white was just scrap yarn I had. This is a great scrap buster, because if you have a lot of cotton laying around, many people, you could do it in green, make it a lime. You could do it in yellow, make it a lemon. You could do it in any color you want. Many go off and make it colors that match their kitchens, or if they're going to be gifting it to the person that they're going to gift it to. Last week was the flag. I did the American flag. I did not put the stars on. One of our friends, Kalina May, she's from Canada. So she made her flag the Canadian flag, and she put the maple leaf on it, and it was beautiful. This is just so much fun. Laura does a slideshow every Wednesday. You know, we send her what we made the week before, you know, like by Tuesday, And on Wednesday, she does a slideshow. And it's so fun to see everyone else, what everyone else made. But well, everybody puts a spin on it. That was the popcorn. I'm just showing a few because, as I said, I slacked and I didn't put them on my channel. This was the sun, was the sun. Little smiley face. And then there was the flower granny. And then we had a retro ripple, which was kind of a chevron ripple. Not really sure what that was about, but this would be a great dishcloth. Absolutely. And that's the Wednesday Wipeout. Laura, I promise to keep up. I will try to keep up. So, okay. While I'm here. I put my Down the Shore cape on my channel. And I did have a recipe tutorial. I did this back in January. And actually on January 20th, I recorded a recipe. It was a recipe tutorial, so it wasn't, there was no pattern. And the file is corrupt. And I've tried to get it back. I got some of it back, and I'm probably either gonna have to re-record it or perhaps write down my recipe. It's very simple. It's a 5-panel cape. Most capes that you see out there have three panels. I made mine in 5 panels, so it will cover the front, and you don't have to, you know, hold it close. And I just put a simple, you know, wavy ruffle on it. It's very simple, and I hope to have time to do it again, because many have asked for it. But like I said, I had done this back in the middle of January, and the file is kaput. If I can get it back, I will. But I'm probably going to have to re-record it. I'm not really sure when I'll have the time. But to those who have asked, I don't want you to think I'm ignoring your comments. It's not that. I've been trying to work on getting the video back to where I could piece it together again, and haven't had much luck. Okay, so what else have I been doing this week, friends? You saw last week, I don't know what day it was. It was Friday I started this. Okay, I call this my peonies top because the yarn, the color of the yarn is called peonies. It's a superwash merino. The color is peonies. It's the Sammy of Manos de Uruguay. It's a DK. Okay, it's a beautiful color. I can't even tell you how beautiful the color is. Beautiful lavender purple. It's hard to describe. Peonies. Find a peony flower, you'll find that color in there. But I'm almost done. I'm probably gonna have to block it because it is superwash merino. I have half of the one sleeve done, so I have a little bit more to go on one, and then I have the other sleeve, and then I would say this is about 85% complete. It's such an easy, simple pattern. It is a Bag-O-Day, Crystal Bag-O-Day pattern. It's her easy summer top. I will link it below. And you can do it, friends. It's so simple. This is a great pattern. It's a great beginner pattern. She walks you through everything. Her tutorial is wonderful. And funny thing, you know, I make a lot of my tops and they're very, you know, lacy. And of course I always wear a tank top or something underneath. And I was in Walmart this weekend, and look what I found. I found a tank top that goes perfectly. Now, how ironic is that? It was like it was meant to be. Yeah, so needless to say, as soon as this is done, I'll be wearing it. But yeah, so I just wanted to give an update of where I am on my makes. And I think I'm gonna probably start a blanket next. A light blanket for Boggy Creek, because they're not very large, and it's for the kids in Florida. But as soon as I'm done with that. Well, that's it, friends. thank you for stopping by. I wanted to keep this video short. And if you enjoy my content and you watch my videos, please hit the like button. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified when I drop a video. And I will see you on the next one. Take care. Have a good week, friends. Bye.